If you are navigating folders on your Mac and you have no idea where you actually are in the file system, this might be for you. By default, Finder doesn't show you the full path to the folder you are in, but there is a simple way how you can turn that on permanently. It's called the pathway. The pathway is down below and it looks like this. The whole path is showing down here in your Finder. So if you want to show it, go to your Finder and in the top menu bar, click on View. Now you want to find option Show Path Bar and click it. And that's it. Now at the bottom of every Finder window, you will see the exact location of the folder you are in. So for example, right now I'm in Downloads, which is in my folder, which is in Users, and which is located in Macintosh HD disk. So from the hard drive all the way down to the current folder. And it's not just for reading, you can actually click on any folder in that path bar and jump straight to it. For example, like this. This is one of those things that's off by default for no good reason, and once you turn it on, you will wonder how you ever used Finder without it. So if you have any questions, leave a comment. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you next time.